Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code P0752 corresponds to a situation where the Shift Solenoid Valve A is reported to be stuck in the on position. This issue occurs within the transmission control system and significantly affects vehicle performance. The principal role of the Shift Solenoid Valve is to regulate the flow of transmission fluid, ultimately allowing the gears in the transmission to shift correctly. When this valve is stuck, it can lead to limited transmission functionality, where the vehicle may only shift into specific gears, like second or fourth gears, depending on whether the code is confirmed or pending. Such dysfunction could leave the vehicle in a restricted operational state, creating a fail-safe where shift options are severely limited. It's crucial to address this issue promptly to restore full vehicle functionality and ensure safe driving conditions. In summary, understanding the implications of Diagnostic Trouble Code P0752 is vital for Honda Accord owners to ensure their vehicle's performance and reliability. The steps in troubleshooting highlight the necessity of a systematic approach to diagnosing transmission issues, focusing particularly on the role of Shift Solenoid Valve A and its impact on shifting functionality. Regular diagnostics using tools like the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, allow for the early detection of faults, enabling timely repairs and maintenance. Additionally, prioritizing automatic transmission fluid, ATF, maintenance is essential to prevent contamination and extend the life of the transmission system. By adhering to these practices, vehicle owners can enjoy a smooth, reliable driving experience while protecting their investment. The Shift Solenoid Valve A is an integral component of the automatic transmission system in the Honda Accord. Its primary function is to manage the hydraulic fluid movement within the transmission, impacting gear shifts. This solenoid is generally located within the transmission assembly itself, specifically in the valve body area, where it helps control the application of clutches and bands in the transmission. If Shift Solenoid Valve A gets stuck in the on position, it can lead to the vehicle failing to shift gears properly, causing it to remain in second or fourth gear. This behavior enables a fail-safe mode that compromises the vehicle's performance and could potentially lead to further transmission damage if not addressed. Regular transmission fluid checks and maintenance can help prevent such issues. Several potential causes can lead to the occurrence of DTC P0752 in the Honda Accord. One common cause is contaminated transmission fluid, which may contain metal debris or excessive clutch material that could obstruct the shift solenoid's operation. Another significant factor could be a faulty shift solenoid valve itself, which may fail due to wear over time or could have a manufacturing defect. Additionally, damage to the secondary valve body could result in faults related to shifts, as this is the assembly that houses Valve A. An inspection of the transmission fluid and components is critical to diagnose the issue effectively. Identifying these factors during troubleshooting can expedite the repair process and prevent future problems. The symptoms associated with DTC P0752 in the Honda Accord can lead to an unpleasant driving experience. Drivers may first notice that the vehicle's transmission only shifts into limited gears, specifically second or fourth gear if the code is confirmed. Intermittent harsh shifts might be felt when transitioning from one gear to another, indicating that the components are not working harmoniously. Additionally, the situation could trigger warning lights on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a transmission fault. These symptoms could potentially worsen over time, leading to more severe transmission issues if the code remains unaddressed. Awareness of these signs is essential for timely intervention and repair. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0752 involves a thorough check of the automatic transmission fluid (ATF) condition. Begin by warming up the engine to its normal operating temperature, ensuring that the radiator fan operates properly. This step helps to achieve accurate measurements when checking fluid levels. After the temperature is reached, it is vital to check that the transmission is filled to the correct level, as low fluid levels can affect shifting. Inspect the ATF for any sign of contamination or leaks around the transmission. It's crucial to drain the ATF through a strainer and visually inspect it for metal debris or excessive clutch material. If there is excessive debris, it could indicate internal transmission wear, leading to a recommendation for transmission replacement. Conversely, if the strainer is clear of debris, proceed to replace the ATF to continue with further diagnosis. In Step 2 of the troubleshooting process for DTC P0752, the first action is to safely raise the vehicle on a lift, or, if unavailable, securely block the rear wheels and elevate the front portion of the vehicle. Ensure the vehicle is securely supported to prevent any accidents. Then, press the engine's start-stop button to select the on mode without starting the engine, allowing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to be accessed for further diagnostics. It is also crucial to clear the DTC using the HDS tool at this stage. This action will help in resetting the system's memory and provides a clear path to identify if the issue recurs. After clearing the DTC, start the engine and disable the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) by pressing the VSA off button. Running the vehicle in drive allows observation of the transmission's shifting action, especially when shifting from third to fourth gear, which will enable precise monitoring of the system's parameters. The final step in troubleshooting DTC P0752 focuses on directly testing the Shift Solenoid Valve A through the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Select the option for Shift Solenoid Valve A in the miscellaneous test menu to perform a targeted diagnostic check. Upon initiating this check, listen for a clicking sound, which indicates that the solenoid is operating correctly. A detected clicking sound means that the solenoid valve may be in proper working order, while also suggesting that the issue could lie within the secondary valve body assembly. If no clicking sound is heard, this indicates a failure within the solenoid valve itself, leading to a recommendation for replacing the secondary valve body housing the valve. Establishing the operational state of this solenoid is crucial in diagnosing whether the solenoid is malfunctioning or whether the issue resides elsewhere in the transmission system. After completing the troubleshooting and repairs for DTC P0752, conducting a final verification is a crucial step. This verification includes a test drive of the vehicle to assess its shifting performance, ensuring that the transmission operates smoothly across all gears. During the test drive, pay special attention to how the vehicle shifts from one gear to another, aiming for a seamless transition without any harshness or delays. After the test drive, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to scan for any recurring diagnostic trouble codes, ensuring that DTC P0752 or any related codes do not reappear. Successfully passing this step confirms that the repairs made were effective and that the vehicle is in optimal operational condition. This procedure is essential not only for peace of mind, but also for the long-term reliability of the transmission system. To help prevent issues like DTC P0752 from occurring in the future, it's essential to adopt a proactive approach to maintenance. One of the most important preventive measures is to change the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, regularly, which can help in preventing contamination and ensuring smooth operation of the system. Monitoring transmission fluid levels is crucial, as low levels can lead to inadequate lubrication and shifting issues. Another preventive step is ensuring that you have suitable diagnostic tools, such as the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, readily available to facilitate quick diagnosis in case issues arise. By prioritizing these maintenance strategies, vehicle owners can enhance the longevity of their transmission systems and prevent costly repairs down the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.